my Winjas. This is your girl Maya, and I'm going to show you how to do the crocodile roll. It is one move that's gonna hit your shoulders, your abs, your core, your legs, your coordination, plus the ability to control your body. I'm gonna show you how it's done first, then we'll slow it down, and then I'll show you how you can put it into a flow with all the other pieces that you've already learned before, because y'all be following and you are subscribing, watching, and learning and doing it all with me, right? Let's go. The crocodile roll. Damn! Okay, let's slow it down. So you're gonna start sitting on your butt like this with your shoulders corkscrewed back, fingertips pointed to the back of the room. You can have one leg bent like so. The leg that's extended is the one that you're gonna roll onto. And what you're gonna be doing is a side plank, followed by a plank, followed by another side plank. And as I do it slower, it's gonna be even harder. So check it out. You're gonna go shoulders, abs engaged. Get your leg up. Remember, the leg that's extended is the one that rolls. So we're gonna roll towards the left. I'm rolling, I'm rolling, I'm rolling. I'm hitting my side plank, rolling, rolling, hitting my regular plank. I continue to roll now that I put my two hands down. I hit my other side plank. This leg never drops down. It's hovercrafting the whole time. It never tucks in to cheat either, because this is where you're gonna manage yourself, managing your core, quads, legs, arms, shoulders, everything is burning. From here, keep on going, boom, until you are now in your crocodile, your full crocodile. When you wanna switch and go over, you drop the hovercrafted leg, and you do what we call the pop switch. So all I did there was, I switched over. So now this leg is extended, and now this leg starts rolling. So roll, 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 side plank, plank, side plank, and crocodile roll. Oh my goodness. That is one move. That was 30 seconds. Yo, get this girl towel up in here. So let's watch that again. Shoulders back, legs extended, butt up, core on, roll, 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 pop switch, roll, 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 roll. Yes. So the whole time you're maintaining your plank, make sure you guys go check the plank video, because you absolutely need to have a solid plank before you can do any type of rolling. Make sure you warm up your wrists first. Everything you need is in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe, because we are constantly leveling up and building on our flow. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I would put it into with the other movements. Okay, still catching my breath. So I might go crocodile roll, 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 boom. Now front step through. I might switch over, crocodile roll, 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 roll. I might open up, side kick through. Back to my roll, switch, roll, 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 switch, roll, boom. Maybe I'll do a couple breath kick throughs. So the options are endless. All right guys, that's it for this week. Give that a try and let me know how you do. If you like the way I coach, make sure you check out the Winja Way, where we do all of this and then some. I'll see you next time.